ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ, ಕಣ್ಣೆರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ ಧ್ಯಾನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೋದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. We invite Brahma Shri Pitama Subhash Patriji, Mahavatar Babaji, Paramashiva to come here, be with us and meditate with us. We invite the conscious of Trimurti and the conscious of Trishakti. We invite the conscious of Saptarishis and the conscious of Saptarishi Patnis. We invite the conscious of Mother Sita, Mother Yashodhara, Mother Isis. We invite the conscious of Ayurveda Master, Ra Master, Cicero Master. We invite all the yogis, avadutas and naga sadhus of Himalayas. We invite all the astral pyramids, astral crystals and astral crop circles of the universe. We invite all the astral masters of the universe. My dear masters, this is Cicero with you now. Yes, masters, the time has come. Everyone has to move towards vegetarianism. The responsibility lies in the hands of all the vegetarians to make this world vegetarian world and to make this world meditative world, masters. And to do this, you have to be physically healthy, mentally balanced, and spiritually advanced, masters. To be like this, you have to raise your vibrations, masters. To raise your vibrations, you have to raise your frequencies, masters. To raise your frequencies, you have to move to higher dimensions, masters. Yes, masters. We all are united with each other. We are moving towards the space. We are moving towards the portals. After passing through the portals, you are moving towards We are moving towards the smile world, masters. Yes, masters, we are moving towards the smile world, and all the masters of the smile world are welcoming us. Yes, masters, we have entered the smile world, masters. All the masters of the smile world started releasing the smile energy. The smile energy slowly started moving towards your Sahasrara. The complete smile energy started cleansing your brain, masters. Your brain is completely cleansed, and slowly smile energy started moving towards your eyes. Both the eyes were energized and both the eyes were connected. Yes, masters. Smile energy slowly started cleansing your eyes and started spreading smile energy. Your eyes are completely filled with smile energy. Our eyes are saying, this is the first time we are receiving the smile energy. This was never done to us. They are very happy, and your eyes are experiencing the smile energy. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your ears. Both the ears were completely cleansed and filled with smile energy. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your nose, and both the nostrils were completely filled with smile energy. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your mouth, your teeth, and the tongue is completely cleansed, masters. Smile energy started filling energy to the teeth and the mouth, and slowly smile energy started moving towards your thyroid glands, masters. All the issues related to you regarding thyroid is completely cleansed, masters. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your respiratory organs, and your respiratory organs are completely cleansed, masters. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your heart, and your heart is completely filled with smile energy, masters. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your liver, pancreas. Both the liver and pancreas are completely filled with smile energies, masters. Smile energy slowly started moving towards your Small intestine, large intestine, both the intestine are completely cleansed, masters. Yes, masters, the smile energy slowly started moving towards your kidney. Both the kidneys were completely cleansed, masters. Slowly, smile energy started moving towards your sexual organs, and your sexual organs were completely cleansed, masters. Smile energy started moving towards your thighs, knees, and the feet, and the whole legs, hands are completely filled with smile energy, masters. Yes, masters. Your gratitude to smile energy and give gratitude to the masters of this smile world, and you all are moving towards the space. You're moving. Yes, masters. You all are moving towards the space. You are moving towards portals. After passing through the portals, you are moving towards the Earth planet. Yes, masters, you have entered the Earth planet, and you all have entered Earth planet, and you all are entered into your physical body. Let the complete smile energy sink to your physical body, masters. You complete gratitude to your father and mother. You gratitude to your Guru Patriji. You gratitude to your body, mind, and soul. Yes, masters. You complete gratitude to your body, mind, and soul. You complete gratitude to five elements of nature and five elements within. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. ಯಾರು ಗಾಢವಾದ ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಆ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಹೈ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎನರ್ಜೀಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ.